In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the zoom settings while browsing with the Brave browser. Whether you're trying to get a closer look at details on your screen or zooming out to gain a broader perspective, learning this simple yet effective technique will enhance your browsing experience. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up your Brave browser on your device. Once it's up and running, navigate to any website of your choice. It could be a news site, a social media page, or your favorite blog. As you land on the website, you'll notice a variety of options and settings provided by Brave to customize your browsing experience. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser interface. You'll see three stacked horizontal lines, which is commonly referred to as the menu button. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will unveil a drop-down menu with a host of options tailored to enhance your browsing capabilities. In this menu, you'll find a feature designed to cater to your zoom needs. Keep your eyes peeled for a section that displays a zoom control, typically symbolized by a minus, a percentage, and a plus sign. This indicator usually starts off at 100%, representing the standard view. Now comes the fun part. You have the power to alter the size of the content on your screen. If you want to zoom in and enlarge the details, click on the plus button. Each click will incrementally boost the percentage, bringing elements on your screen closer. This feature is especially useful when dealing with intricate graphics or when you simply want to minimize the strain on your eyes. Conversely, if you want to zoom out and view more of the web page at once, particularly handy for overviewing large pages, click on the minus button. This action will decrease the percentage, allowing you to see a wider view with each click. It's worth mentioning an additional feature for those who prefer immersing themselves into their content distraction-free. You can access full screen mode, which provides a seamless browsing experience without the intrusion of menu bars or other browser elements, thus maximizing your viewing space. This is particularly effective when you want to focus solely on the web content without any clutter. This concludes the simple yet effective way to adjust zoom preferences in the Brave browser. By learning this, you've gained another tool to customize and control how you view content online, making your digital interactions not only more comfortable but also more efficient. If you're wondering why the zoom might not work as expected sometimes, remember, it's always a good idea to check your browser settings or even update the browser itself for the best experience. Happy browsing, and until next time, explore the web vividly with your newfound zoom control.